Imagine a world where foraging is revolutionized by drones. These high-tech devices identify plants with precision, transforming how we gather food. Stay tuned to discover how this technology is reshaping our relationship with nature. Plant ID drones use advanced sensors and AI to identify plant species accurately. This technology not only aids foragers but also helps in cataloging biodiversity, ensuring we preserve our natural heritage for future generations. Drones are pivotal in selecting the best quality plants, ensuring only the finest make it to our tables. By reducing misidentification, they significantly cut down on food waste, promoting a more sustainable food sourcing approach. With precise plant identification, drones help in minimizing waste, ensuring that every harvested plant is utilized effectively. This not only enhances food quality, but also supports sustainable consumption practices. Food-focused rewilding also provides space for nature to filter pollutants from the air. Drones play a crucial role in monitoring endangered plant species, offering a bird's-eye view of their habitats. This technology aids in maintaining biodiversity, ensuring ecosystems remain balanced and thriving. By keeping a watchful eye on ecosystems, drones help in conservation efforts. They provide valuable data that supports the protection of endangered species, highlighting the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. Precision drone foraging also helps in reducing nitrogen use in food production, promoting healthier waterways for us all to enjoy. By embracing forage drone technology for food-focused rewilding, we can ensure environmentally positive food security. Join us by visiting roboticagriculture.com and explore these innovations further, and consider how you can use drone technology to support sustainable practices in your community.